Do you want to make money on YouTube without showing your face? In this video, I will show you how to start a faceless YouTube channel and scale it to $10,000 per month in 2025. You don't need expensive equipment, and you don't have to appear on camera. All you need is creativity, strategy, and the right tools. YouTube is one of the best platforms for passive income, and faceless channels are growing faster than ever. With AI tools and automation, running a faceless channel is easier than before. If you follow the right steps and stay consistent, you can build a channel that generates steady income. The first step is choosing a profitable niche. Not all topics work well for faceless channels, so you need to be strategic. The most profitable niches include finance, business, technology, storytelling, health, motivation, and productivity. These topics attract high engagement and advertisers willing to pay more for ads. Once you pick a niche, research what works well. Use tools like Google Trends, vidIQ, or TubeBuddy to analyze trending topics. Study successful channels in your niche and note their video style, length, and thumbnails. This gives you a blueprint to follow so you don't start from scratch. Now it's time to create content. You don't need to record yourself. Use AI-generated voices, stock footage, animations, or slideshow presentations. Tools like Canva, InVideo, and Pictory help create professional-looking videos without filming anything. The key is keeping your audience engaged from start to finish. A strong hook in the first 10 seconds is crucial. If you don't grab attention quickly, viewers will leave. Use storytelling, compelling visuals, and background music to maintain interest. Keep your script concise so every second adds value. Once you have a few videos ready, optimize them for YouTube search. Use relevant keywords in titles, descriptions, and tags. Create eye-catching thumbnails to increase clicks. The more engaging your content, the more YouTube will recommend it. To start earning money, you need to join the YouTube Partner Program, which requires 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past year. Once eligible, you can earn ad revenue, but that's just the beginning. Many faceless channels make most of their income outside of YouTube ads. Affiliate marketing lets you promote products and earn commissions. Sponsorships pay you to showcase brands. You can also sell digital products, offer memberships, or use Patreon. Diversifying income helps scale to $10,000 per month. Growing a channel requires consistency. Upload regularly, analyze performance, and double down on successful content. The algorithm favors engaging videos, so aim to improve retention rates. As your channel grows, reinvest earnings into better tools and automation. This reduces workload and allows you to scale faster. Starting a faceless YouTube channel in 2025 is a great way to build passive income. With the right strategy, you can create videos that generate revenue long after being uploaded. If you're ready, start today. The sooner you begin, the faster you'll see results.